Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming for you is a haul. I'm so sorry that I sound kind of low pitch, kind of a high pitch, just because A, I'm sick. I got really badly sore throat, and also I'm really excited because this box right here, it came in. So yeah, I'll get into it when I get to it. But anyways, first up is this Jeffree Star Stone Lip Balm. It's really, really pretty. And the lip balm is really, really nice. And the next product here, I have a Moschino Toy 2 Bubblegum Perfume, or fragrance is another name for it. Dang, that was a fail. Dang. Look how pretty she is. Pink is like my favorite color. The next we have here I should have just took this like out of the boxes, but no, I like the challenge. Oh no. I had this Glow Recipe skincare, so never tried a face mask from this brand. Hopefully it smells nice, and supposedly it's watermelon. But does it smell bad? Does it smell fake? I don't know. Then for my grand finale is this Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box. Okay. Throw that on the ground. Get rid of this tissue paper. So we have a pop socket and a beanie. So yeah, that looks very, very nice. And a lip gloss. Succulent. I never had this gloss before, or the shade, so I'm really excited to try it. And then for the grand finale, I know I kept saying the grand finale, but I've been looking everywhere for this palette. So I don't have it until now. If any of you Jeffree Star fans has this palette, y'all are lucky. I just literally got my hands on one. No, it's stuck in the box. There. That's what she looks like. Let's see what she looks like, the shades. Oh, how pretty. How very, very pretty. But yeah, that's it for this haul. And if you like this video, or if you're a big, huge Jeffree Star fan, leave a comment down below on which one is your favorite product. But yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. And I'll see you guys in my next video.